Why isn't my car locking properly? This is really frustrating. I need to fix this lock.
Do you know anyone who can repair my car lock?
You should contact Onyx Lock Key. They're very reliable. They provide professional automotive locksmith services.
That's great. I'll contact them right now.
Hello, my car lock isn't working properly. Can you help me?
Yes, of course. Our technician will assist you.
Thank you so much.
Don't worry, we'll repair your car lock quickly.
Thank you. I'm glad you came.
All set. Your car lock is working perfectly now.
Let me try it.
Perfect. My car lock works great now. Thank you.
Onyx Lock Key for fast and reliable automotive locksmith services.